Hello and welcome to our Chevy Apache build series, where in the next 8 videos in 8 weeks, we're going to cover everything from modern braking, lowering the suspension, tuning the engine, bodywork painting, and much, much more. If you'd like to see all or any of those things, then please subscribe for more. Now let's get started. Alright, so my dad and I picked up this Apache as a bit of a father-son project. My dad has always been a truck guy, and I just really like the styling of these trucks, especially the fleet side box with its 50s rocket ship-esque styling hues. After buying the truck, I've seen these old Chevys in all kinds of modern media, so I guess I'm not the only one to notice them recently. Anything from anime, album covers, video games, and more. Anyways, back to the truck. While we got it for an absolute steal, it's far from perfect. The truck is from Pennsylvania, where I've been told they use coal ash for a while instead of salt, so the truck is relatively clean for its age. The worst of the damage is on the box and hidden away under the plywood bed, which is also going to be replaced with real wood and new rails. The rest of the underside will be scraped free of grease, sandblasted, and painted. The engine is a 305 with some leaks and a carburetor which is both oversized and poorly tuned. When we loaded it onto the trailer, it was dumping out black smoke. The engine also has some performance parts, so in the next video I'm going to see if I can get it tuned without swapping to a smaller carb. This arrangement is connected to a 3-speed manual transmission with an unusual shift map. I'm already having nightmares of shifting into reverse instead of second. Another discovery while loading and unloading was the lack of brake. It felt like they went from nothing to locked in under an inch of travel. Upon closer inspection, I found the master cylinder was badly leaking too. To remedy this, we're going to install discs in the front as well as a new firewall mounted master cylinder. An added benefit of the new master is the brake pedal will also be in a more natural position, especially for someone as tall as I am. While it's missing side badges in the front emblem, it does have a chrome front bumper, and I got a chrome rear bumper off the seller as well. It also has some deep steelies with Cadillac hubs, which will need new tires if we choose to keep them. The interior is a bit of a mess, and I can't say I'm much of an interior guy, so we'll try to find a better arrangement. Other than that, the rest of the truck is really just showing its age. Dried rubber trim, cracked glass, etc. There are a couple bits of Bondo, especially on the roof, which, to be honest, I won't worry too much about for this 8-week build. Since we're not going through bolt by bolt, I think it might look weird to try and have an immaculate paint job masking an imperfect truck. So we're currently planning to try a patina paint job. It would have been nice to use the natural patina, but the Oklahoma orange through the flat black isn't super appealing in my opinion. So with that in mind, here's the plan for this 8-part video series. First video is this one, the introductions. In the next video, we're going to get it running, remove the box. Number 3 is bodywork, sandblasting, paint, and just some little bits to choke and whatnot. Number 4, we're going to cover installing the brake booster. 5, the disc brakes. 6, we're going to look at lowering it and other suspension components. 7, paint, and 8, hopefully all the wrap up. As a concept, this all seems fine and dandy, but I'm sure we'll come across hurdles along the way. I'm having a hard time deciding on the color to paint it, so if you have a suggestion, I'd appreciate it if you left a comment. Please subscribe and follow along to see the end result. Thanks for watching.